how to connect Phantom wallet to Photon. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Phantom wallet to Photon. Alright, so let's begin. Well, if you're trying to connect your existing Phantom wallet to Photon, it's not possible to do so directly. However, you can export your Photon wallet into Phantom and trade on both platforms. So, to proceed, you'll need to have saved your private key when generating your Photon wallet. If not, you'll need to create a new wallet in Phantom and connect it to Photon. Over here, once you access the page, you can click Generate to create a new Photon wallet and get your private key. Then you can copy the private key to your clipboard since it won't be shown again. Next, open your Phantom wallet, go to the top left corner, click on the profile icon and tap on Add or Connect a wallet. Then select Import a private key and paste the key you copied earlier. After that, name it Photon and click Import. Now you've successfully connected your Photon wallet to Phantom. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom wallet to Photon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.